This video is showing you how to install this shower panel tower system. Mark the locations for the mounting clips, and drill the holes. Fill the holes with silicone as precaution to prevent water leaking into the wall. And screwed in the mounting clips. Connect the water lines. These lines are color-coded, red for hot, blue for cold. Turn on the water to check for leaks before you mount the unit. Push and slide down to engage the unit, to the mounting clips. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.